Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well today. So as you can see, I am just jumping straight on in. I'm not wasting any time. I've got a lot of cleaning and tidying to get through today, so I really hope that you enjoy this one. If you do, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe, do all the YouTubey things, and yeah, let's just jump straight into it. Rug has just arrived and I'm so excited. So you can see the colour, because this bit's like open, it's got bits of pink. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit more blue, but it's more of like a grey blue, but I still think it looks really nice. And then it also has little pops of orange in it as well, which I think might look really nice. So yeah, let's open it up and see what it looks like and if it actually fits the space. Max is a huge fan, bless him. So this is so much bigger than I thought it was going to be. I'm definitely going to need Rob's help because I want it to like slot under the sofa a little bit. But there's nowhere I can move the sofa on my own. So yeah, let's try and slot it under a bit so we can kind of get an idea.
No one gonna fight for you.
This is as good as it's going to get until Rob's home to help me actually put it under. So it is overlapping a fair bit, but once it's actually like pushed under the sofa, it should be good to go. But I can't believe how big it is. I don't know how many times I've said that now, but it literally takes up the whole floor. So it's definitely going to have to go like under there more and under there more. Because yeah, it literally goes all the way to that mat. Sorry if you can hear the oh, that's why it's making noise. We bought Max a little like watering fountain because he doesn't seem to drink that much, and Rob saw that, I think it was on TikTok, and as soon as we got it, Max started drinking out of it. So yeah, pro tip, if you've got pets that don't drink a lot, get a little water fountain. But yeah, what I was saying was we're gonna have to get a different mat to go there, because obviously it does not go. But look how pretty it is. I mean, I think the orange in it is definitely gonna have to take some getting used to. Maxie, I don't think you should be eating that, sweetheart. I don't think you should be eating that, should you? That's not for you. Yeah, the orange in it is going to take some getting used to, because it kind of just looks as though we've spilt something on the carpet. I don't know. I don't know if I'm completely obsessed with the orange, but overall, I love the pattern, the colour, the size. How many times am I going to go on about the size? But honestly, it's blooming huge. Look at that. The next purchase I think is going to be a cream ottoman, just to go like in the middle, because I don't want a solid coffee table. I want something that's easier to move. An ottoman is obviously going to have storage as well, which is brilliant, and it's soft, so we don't have to worry about Max constantly hitting himself like he did with the other coffee table. We had to childproof it for the dog. But I also have nieces and nephews that come over, so I think having a soft coffee table would be the way to go, and it'll be easier to move, and it'll just break up like the colour and the rug. Honestly, I can't get over how big it is. Yeah, I feel like if the ottoman can go here, because the problem was when we had the coffee table and then all three chairs, because they're recliner chairs, the coffee table was just in the way and it was a bit of a nightmare to move all the time. So I feel like if we get, I'm thinking maybe like an oval ottoman, cream ottoman. That way I can have flowers on it, because I love those flowers and I would love it if they were sort of centered over here. So yeah, ottoman for flowers and decoration, but then I can also move it to this corner here and just move his bed probably just over here where his toys are. So yeah, I can easily move it around, is basically what I'm getting at. But look how pretty it is. Yeah, obsessed with this. So glad that I went for this one. Yeah, over the moon. Love it. And just like that, it's a few days later and I am up in my dressing room. As you can see behind me, there is loads of mess to sort out back there, and I also want to go through the drawer down there and just sort of donate things that I'm not wearing anymore, because I can't really open the drawer very much and I'm not wearing half the stuff that's in there, so I may as well get rid of that. And then I'm going to be heading next door to do the bunny room. I did actually hoover them out like a few days ago, so it's not as bad as it has been, and I'm trying to keep on top of it. So we'll go in today and do another quick hoover, and yeah, hopefully if I just do it every few days, it won't get that bad. So I want to start in the dressing room, do a quick clean, quick declutter, and then we can head next door.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart to say yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Hi, bunnies. Hi, gorgeous bunnies. Oh, you sleeping? You sleeping? Oh, I'm sorry. Hello. Hello. Kisses. I'm giving kisses. Decided against doing the bunny room. When I went in and they were fast asleep, there's no way I can get the big hoover out and disturb them now. So, like, it's not too bad in there anyway. So I might do it like in the next video, like the next cleaning video. But yeah, they are just the cutest. But I am going to go ahead and end today's video here and start filming my H&M haul. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because my next video is going to be a new in H&M spring haul, and yeah, really looking forward to sharing that one. So again, don't forget to subscribe, leave today's video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I will see you back here in my next one. Bye guys.